morning, students. Today I am going to continue the chapter Society of Rural Area. Now today in this chapter we are going to learn about the VIII system, that is Monroe system. VIII or Monroe was developed by Thomas Monroe in the British territories in the south, which consist parts of Madras and Bombay presidencies, Assam and Sindh. The word Roet literally means peasant. Initially, it was tried on a small scale by Captain Alexander Reed in some parts of the areas that were taken over by the company after the wars with Tipu Sultan. Then it was developed by Thomas Monroe. Later, this system was gradually extended all over South India. This system was adopted because Alexander Reed and Monroe felt that in the south there were no mediators such as traditional zamindars. Therefore, they can collect large revenue. In this system, the peasant was recognized as the owner of the land. He paid land revenue. The land was sold off if peasant failed to pay the tax. The revenue was also fixed and was according to the fertility of the soil. This situation of the peasant was also miserable in this system. Now, the consequences of land revenue settlement. Now, what type of problems they were facing? There were different types. that is the introduction of land revenue settlements and the high rates of revenue make peasants more poor. The administrators, revenue collectors, money lenders and zamindars exploited the peasants to a great extent. Peasants were unable to pay and move to the countryside. Villages became empty in many regions. Now, land became a sellable commodity which could be sold. Now next, transformation of crops for Europe. The British realized that the rural area could not only yield revenue, but it could also grow the crops that Europe required. Due to this reason, the company forced the peasants to grow crops such as jute, indigo, sugarcane, coffee, tea, cotton and oil seeds, etc. By the late 18th century, these crops were called cash crops because they were sold directly for cash. The British forced the peasants to grow these crops in various parts of India to grow other crops such as jute in Bengal, tea in Assam, sugarcane in the United Province, that is Uttar Pradesh, wheat in Punjab, cotton in Maharashtra and Punjab, rice in Madras. It is also forced them to sell them at low rates. These crops were widely used in the British manufacturing industries. This practice resulted in the decline in the production of food grains, which results in a shortage of food supply. Now, you have to write question and answers in your fair copy. Why the revenue collected would be large in the VIII system? Name any 4 cash crops. Why there was a great demand for indigo in Europe?